Did you know that the man who changed the way India deals with plastic waste once dreamt of being a cricketer? In his childhood in Kumbakonam, young Rajagopalan Vasudevan spent countless hours on the cricket field and even represented Tamil Nadu in junior state-level cricket teams. Today, the world knows him by a very different name, the Plastic Man of India. Dr. Rajagopalan Vasudevan was born in 1946 in Tamil Nadu and grew up as a curious, hard-working student with a deep love for science. He went on to study chemistry, completing his bachelor's degree in 1965, his master's in 1967, and later a doctorate in 1974 from the University of Madras. Eventually, he joined Tyagarajar College of Engineering in Madurai, where he became a professor of chemistry and later the head of the department. By the late 20th century, India was drowning in plastic waste. Streets, landfills, and water bodies were filled with discarded bags and wrappers, and most people saw plastic only as a curse for the environment. Dr. Vasudevan looked at the same problem differently. He believed plastic was not evil by itself, but a misplaced resource that humans were misusing and mismanaging. One day, while watching a TV discussion where someone blamed plastic for water pollution, he began to question that idea as a chemist. Plastic, he knew, is a hydrocarbon and does not dissolve in water, so the real issue was how people were throwing it away. This moment pushed him to search for a solution that would turn waste plastic into something useful instead of simply banning it. After years of experiments, Dr. Vasudevan developed a simple but powerful method to use plastic waste in road construction. First, plastic waste like bags, wrappers, and cups is collected, cleaned, and shredded into small pieces. Then these plastic pieces are heated and mixed with stone aggregates so that they form a coating on the stones. And finally, this mixture is combined with hot bitumen and laid as a road. The result is a plastic-coated road surface that is stronger, more durable, and more resistant to water damage and potholes than conventional roads, especially under heavy traffic and rainfall. His idea did not remain inside the laboratory. Over time, thousands of kilometers of roads in India have been constructed using plastic waste in places such as Chennai, Mumbai, Puducherry, Shimla, and Thiruvananthapuram. In 2015, the government of India made it mandatory to use plastic waste in certain categories of road construction, giving his innovation national importance. Dr. Vasudevan did not stop with roads. He and his team also developed plastone blocks, a cement-like material made using plastic along with granite and ceramic waste, which can be used for paving and construction. These plastic-based materials are durable, water-resistant, and help reduce the load on landfills by consuming more waste. Beyond being a scientist, he is also deeply spiritual. For over 20 years at Tyagarajar College of Engineering, he has taught the Bhagavad Gita to students and staff, sharing not only verses but also values and practical wisdom for daily life. He has great knowledge of Srimad Bhagavatam, and he credits all his achievements to Perumal and to the blessings of his guru, seeing his scientific work as a form of service rather than personal glory. As a professor at Tyagarajar College of Engineering, he is known not only for his research, but also for his humility and simplicity. Students remember him as a friendly, value-based teacher who often connects chemistry with ethics, spirituality, and responsibility toward the nation, showing how a single committed teacher can inspire thousands of young minds. For his groundbreaking work in waste management and road technology, Dr. Rajagopalan Vasudevan received many honors, including the Padma Shri, India's fourth highest civilian award, in 2018. He has also been praised publicly by national leaders and is widely respected for freely sharing his technology with the Indian government instead of trying to profit from it. After serving Tyagarajar College of Engineering for more than 5 decades, he recently retired from active college service, completing a remarkable journey of over 50 years as a teacher, researcher, and guide to generations of students. Even after retirement, his work and teachings continue to influence engineers, environmentalists, and young learners across India. Today, his plastic road concept has influenced projects in various countries beyond India, inspiring engineers and policymakers to use waste plastic in infrastructure. As plastic waste continues to grow worldwide, his work offers a practical, scalable model of how innovation can tackle both pollution and poor roads at the same time. Dr. Rajagopalan Vasudevan's journey, from a cricket-loving boy in Kumbakonam to the plastic man of India, and from a devoted chemistry professor to a spiritual guide for many, proves that passion, faith, and persistence can transform an entire nation's approach to waste. If one teacher can change how we build roads, imagine what millions of responsible citizens can do by reducing, reusing, and recycling plastic in their own lives.